What is 3 plus 6? You can refer to the number line. Starting at 3, hop 6 times to the right to get the answer. Remember, to add, we hop right. To subtract, we hop left. And the answer is 9. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.